Matcha milk tea is the perfect introduction to green tea as the sweetness from brown sugar boba and the milk's creaminess balances out the earthiness from matcha. We'll also show you how you can make a red bean topping and a salted cream cheese foam top for a tasty twist. For our first matcha bubble tea recipe, you'll need matcha, some water, your choice of milk, brown sugar to make brown sugar syrup, and tapioca pearls. Pop your instant tapioca pearls into a pot of boiling water and cook them for 5 minutes. Once the time's up, put these into an ice bath for 1 minute and then take them out so they firm up for a nice bouncy texture. If you want to make some strawberry boba pearls to go with your matcha bubble tea, check out our other video on how to make handmade tapioca pearls instead. If you just want the normal tapioca pearls, skip the brown sugar syrup we're about to show you. Add 30 ml of water and brown sugar to a pot and let this boil. Then lower the heat and let it simmer for about a minute. We like the consistency to be slightly thick but still runny enough to drip off the spoon. Then add your cooked tapioca pearls into your brown sugar syrup and set this aside. Whisking your green tea well is key to making this matcha milk tea boba taste silky and remove any powder bits. Add matcha powder and hot water to a bowl and whisk in a W motion. We're using a bamboo whisk, but you can also use an electric whisk. If you do use an electric whisk instead, you'll need to add more water to whisk properly, but this also means that your matcha bubble tea might be a bit more watery and not as creamy. Once your green tea is well incorporated, we can move on to assembly. In a tall glass, add a few tablespoons of your brown sugar boba, ice, and then milk. To get the vivid white and green layer, you'll need to pour in your green tea mixture to the top gently. Give us a thumbs up if you liked all the small tips we gave you for this matcha milk tea recipe. Instead of boba, you can add different bubble tea toppings to your matcha milk tea, like red bean and cream cheese foam. Here's how. For the red bean, you can use store-bought red bean paste, but we're making ours from scratch for a bit of a bite. Add your soaked red beans to a pot and add your water. We soak these overnight so they'll cook a lot easier. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for at least 40 minutes. We're not cooking these for too long so that the red beans are whole and easy to suck through the straw. They'll still be soft and will taste quite nice. Then add your sugar and reduce it until it becomes slightly sticky. To make cream cheese foam, you need to mix together cream cheese, milk, and sugar. In a separate bowl, whisk your whipping cream until peaks form. Then combine these and set them aside. In a tall glass, add a few tablespoons of mashed red bean, ice, green tea mixed with milk, and finally your salted cream cheese foam on top. Remember to subscribe for more bubble tea recipes or ways to use matcha.